Anyways, these spin towards each other, pulling all the debris to the center and then sucking it through the vacuum into the container. Now, the only thing I can think of is since this one is at the back, it's just wearing it down since it's being drugged across the floor or whatever the case is. If you're like I am and you have any kind of like a wood or a vinyl or anything with something that'll sand it off, it will sand it off. But these add up after a while, and I've always wondered why this one never gets used. And why you can't interchange them. They have different ends on them. I found a tip. I found a trick, a hack, to fix that. So if you're like I am, go through it every once in a while and see if there's anything in there. Like this one's got Easter egg grass and hair and whatever else in it. Yeah, yuck. But I always wondered, well, I see foam in there. Well, I wonder if these were replaceable. And then I got messing with it. You push it from the bottom, like one of those old push pops, the ice creams. And you pull here, well, it comes apart. Well, okay. And then push it back through the other way. Well, it comes apart. Well, why can't I use this? If you notice inside here, there's this little star in there, which if you look at this, it's got a little spline right here that I guess catches that star. Well, maybe this one has the same. So wouldn't you know, pop it off like you would the other one. That pops off like the other one. Well, hey, that pops off just like the other one. Let's see what's inside. The same star. I wonder. Well, that can't be right. Why was I spending all of this money on replacement pieces when I've got extras here at the house? And I don't know why I keep these for some odd reason for that one time that the gray one dies, which it's usually the dark gray one that always dies. Anyways, I don't know if this helps you, but I know what I'm doing. Thanks, you guys.